Hi, how are you, my dear students? Welcome back to my channel, Maths for All. This is Sudhakar Reddy. In the part 3, in the straight lines of part 3, we discussed about a general form. Okay, so let us continue. So now we are going to discuss about some examples based on the last session. Okay, after that, we'll go for the next one, next concept. So now this is the question. This is the question. Basic questions we are going to discuss. The question may be like this. Find the equation of the line which is parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0 and passes through point 5 comma minus 6. It's a very simple question. So let us discuss what is the solution for this. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the equation of line. That line is parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. See, there may be a straight line like this. This is 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. Acha. And we want a straight line. That straight line must be parallel to this straight line. And this line is passing through 5 comma minus 6. This line is passing through 5 comma minus 6. He has given this equation. Now we are going to find out the equation of this line. If the two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. But in the last class, we discussed about the equation of line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and passing through x1 comma y1 is, in the last class we derived about this one, this a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 is equals to 0. It's a simple concept. So now in this question, we are going to find out the equation of this straight line parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0 and passing through 5 comma 6. So just apply this concept. The required line is like this: 3 into x minus, here x1 means 5, y1 means minus 6. So 3 into x minus 5 minus 2 into y minus y1, it is y plus 6 is equals to 0. If you open the brackets, automatically you'll get your answer. This is 3x minus 2y. This is minus 15 and that is minus 12, right? This is minus 15, this is minus 12, so this is minus 27 is equals to 0. Minus 27 is equals to 0. So 3x minus 2y minus 27 is equals to 0. This is first process. You can do in some other process. Let me explain that also. This concept also we discussed in the last class. So the equation of line parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Equation of line parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0 is of the form 3x minus 2y plus k is equals to 0. In the last class, we discussed about this one. If you don't know, once see the last session, part 3, straight lines, part 3. So 3x minus 2y plus k is equals to 0. This is the equation of straight line parallel to 3x minus 2y plus k equals to 5 equals to 0. So here this is the k is unknown value. So to find out unknown value, he may give some conditions. So in this question, he has given that it passes through 5 comma minus 6. It passes through 5 comma minus 6. Just substitute in it. It is 15 plus 12 plus k is equals to 0. So that k is equals to minus 27. Just replace the value of k here. Automatically that will be the required answer. So therefore, equation of required line is equals to 3x minus 2y minus 27 is equals to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 27 is equals to 0 is the equation of required line. So you can follow the previous process or this process, whatever it may be. Whatever it may be. Clear? Achha. Now a small question for you. Post your answer in the comment box. The question is like this. Find the equation of straight line. Simple question. Find the equation of straight line that passes through 3, 4 and perpendicular to 3x plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. And this question is for you. Post the answer in the comment box. Okay. So these are all very simple questions. We will discuss the tough questions after the completion of all the concepts of straight lines. Okay? Right. So now the next concept is angle between two straight lines. Angle between two intersecting straight lines, of course. Angle between two intersecting straight lines. But in the part 1, we discussed about the angle between two straight lines when the slopes are given. But here, we are going to discuss about the angle between two straight lines when the equation of straight lines are in general form. So let us discuss. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are two intersecting lines and theta be the angle between them then we have three different formulas. The first one is tan theta is equals to modulus of a1b2 minus a2b1 by a1a2 plus b1b2. The second one is cos theta is equals to modulus of a1a2 plus b1b2 whole by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square. And tan theta is equals to, already we wrote not us. Now the third one is sin theta. Sin theta is equals to modulus of a1b2 minus a2b1 whole by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square. But frequently you are going to use this formula tan theta is equals to modulus of a1b2 minus a2b1 by a1a2 plus b1b2. But this formula also very important. Cos theta is equals to modulus of a1a2 plus b1b2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square. So let us discuss how we get these formulas. Okay, right. He has given two lines now. The first line a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. This is the first line. And the second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This is the second line. Acha. So now, in the last session we discussed about the slope of the general form. Right. So what is the slope of this line? The slope of this line min m1 equal to minus a1 by b1. In the part 3, we discussed about this one. If you don't know, once see the part 3. m2 is equals to minus a2 by b2. m2 is equals to minus a2 by b2. Slope of the first line, slope of the second line. Slope formula minus x coefficient by y coefficient when the straight line is in general form. When slopes are known, the angle between two lines is tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This we discussed in the session 1, straight line part 1. Okay. So as given that angle between the two straight lines is theta, we know that tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. For this I have given the proof in the part 1. So tan theta is equals to modulus of what is m1 minus a1 by b1, m2 minus a2 by b2, it is plus a2 by b2 minus of minus by 1 plus m1 means minus a1 by b1, m2 means minus a2 by b2. If you multiply both, minus into minus plus becomes it is a1 a2 whole by b1 b2, isn't it? Achha. What is LCM in the numerator? B1 b2. What is LCM in the denominator? B1 b2. After taking LCM, the LCM gets cancelled. So tan theta is equals to modulus of, take the LCM, minus a1 b2 plus a2 b1 whole by here b1 b2 plus a1 a2 plus a1 a2. So therefore tan theta is equals to modulus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2, a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Achha. This is the formula to find out the angle between the two straight lines when they are in general form. If you know the slopes, you can use this formula. Both you can use, it's not a problem. Okay. So this is the formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Sir, how do you get cos theta sin theta, sir? So tan theta, by using trigonometric ratios, tan formula opposite side by adjacent side. So from this we can find out hypotenuse. How do you find out hypotenuse, sir? Let me explain. So a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is the opposite side, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is the adjacent side. Hypotenuse square kavali. If you want hypotenuse square, it is side square plus side square. That you can derive. Okay. So tan theta is equals to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. This is the formula to find out the angle between the two straight lines when they are in general form. Achha. Now we are going to discuss three more important points, very important points. So if the straight line a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Just now we derived the angle between the two lines is tan theta is equals to modulus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Achha, right. Achha. So now the point number one. If the two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are parallel. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are parallel. If the two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal, or if the two lines are parallel, then the angle between the two lines is 0 degrees, right? If the two lines are parallel, then the angle between the two lines is 0 degrees. So substitute theta 0 here. So then what will happen? Tan 0. So tan 0 is equals to modulus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. So what is the value of tan 0? 0. So if you apply the cross multiplication, then what will happen? This is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equals to 0. So when the two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 are parallel to each other, then the condition is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 equals to 0. So this you can write it as a1 b2 is equal to a2 b1. So this you can write it as a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 in a beautiful manner. If the two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 are parallel to each other, then a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. This is the condition, very important condition, very important. If the two lines are parallel, then the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. In earlier case, if the two lines are parallel, we discussed about the point, if the two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. From that only you can derive, no problem. If the straight lines are in general form, then this is the condition. The two lines are parallel, then a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. Correct? Okay, na? Clear? Right? So if the two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are coincident. See, just now we discussed about the point, if the two lines are parallel, then the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, but not c1 by c2. So in the constants, they may be different. Suppose 2x plus 3y plus 4, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0 is a straight line. 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0 is another straight line. Is equal to another straight line. a1 by a2, 2 by 2, b1 by b2, 3 by 3, both are equal. But c1 by c2 not same. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Then we can say that the two lines are parallel only. Suppose if 4 is there. And what is the difference? Both the lines are same now. That's why. If the two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 are coincident, then the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. The two lines are parallel, then a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 only. If the two lines are coincident, then a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. This is very, very important. Parallel, coincident. Both are not same. If they are parallel, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 only. If they are coincident, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Clear? Right. We'll go for the next point. Point number 3. If the two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are perpendicular to each other, right? If the two lines are perpendicular, then the angle between the two lines is 90 degrees, in this case theta 90. So just substitute 90 there. So tan 90 degrees is equals to modulus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Tan theta is equals to modulus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2, right? Now tan 90, what is the value of tan 90? Not defined, it may be infinity. Infinity can be written as 1 by 0 or 2 by 0 or 3 by 0 or 4 by 0, whatever it may be, right? So 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is equals to modulus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Again, just apply the cross multiplication and what will happen? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 should be equal to 0. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equals to 0. The two lines are parallel, the condition is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 0. The two lines are perpendicular, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equals to 0. Clear? Three conditions. If the two lines are parallel, the condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b1. If the two lines are coincident, the condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equals to 0. Clear? Achha. So now we are going to discuss just two examples based on this concept. Right. Write down example. A vertex of equilateral triangle. A vertex of equilateral triangle. A vertex of equilateral triangle is 2, 3 and the equation of opposite side and the equation of opposite side and the equation of opposite side is x plus y is equals to 2 x plus y is equals to 2, find the equation of other sides. Then find the equation of other sides. Then find the equation of other sides. And find the equation of other side. Very, very important model. Very, very important model. The vertex of equilateral triangle is 2, 3. Is given an equilateral triangle. Let us assume this is the equilateral triangle ABC. Let us assume one of the vertex 2, 3. Right. Equation of opposite side of this vertex. Opposite side of this vertex means BC. Let us say this is x plus y is equals to x plus y equals to 2. So then what we have to find out? That is the information he has given. That's it. He has not given anything. How do you find out? How do you find out the other two lines? See. So basic hint he has given is the triangle is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal to 60 degrees. Of course, this angle is also 60 degrees. This angle is 60 and this angle is also equals to 60 degrees. Right. So what do you want here? So the equation of the other sides. So that means you have to find out the equations of AB and AC. So of course, AB and AC are two straight lines. If you want to find out the equation of straight line, what are the requirements? If you want to find out the equation of a line, what are the requirements? Point and a slope or 2 points. So here AB and AC, both the lines are passing through 2, 3. So point is known. If you find out the slopes, if you can find out the slopes, then it is very easy to find out the equation of AB and AC. For that, what we have to do? So x plus y is equals to 2. So it is of the form ax plus by equals to c. Of course, ax plus by plus c equals 0. If we take that 2 to this side. So what is the slope of this line? This is of the form ax plus by equal to c. Na? So the slope of this line, let us say m1 is equals to minus 1. Minus x quotient by y quotient, slope minus x quotient by y quotient, m1 equal to minus 1. Achha. So I don't know about this slope. Let us say that is m2 is equals to m. m2 is equals to m. So m1 is equals to minus 1, m2 is equals to m. So now the slope of this particular line is minus 1, the slope of this particular line is m, and the angle between them is 60 degrees. Sir, why don't we take the slope of this line is m, sir? Yes, definitely you can take. Definitely you can take. It's not a problem. Achha. So now the angle between these two lines is 60 degrees and you know the slopes of both the lines. So the slope of this particular line is minus 1 and the slope of this particular line is m, and the angle between them is 60 degrees. So then we are going to use the formula. We know that tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Achha. So tan theta means 60. So tan 60 root 3 is equals to m1 means minus 1 minus m2 means m by 1 plus m1 means minus 1, m2 means m. So it is 1 minus m. So root 3 is equals to, so modulus of 1 plus m by 1 minus m. Because it is modulus, if you take a minus term as a common, it's not a problem. Achha. So 1 plus m under modulus is equals to root 3 into, sorry, this is 1 minus m, right? Root 3 into modulus of 1 minus m. If we take the plus sign, we'll get one value for m. If we take minus n, we'll get another value for m. So m is equals to 1 plus m is equals to root 3 into, I'm going to take the plus sign, root 3 into 1 minus m, that is root 3 minus root 3. Minus root 3. So take this minus root 3m to the side. So m plus root 3m is equals to root 3 minus 1. So that m is equals to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. M is equals to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. If we take the plus sign. So if we take the minus sign, then what will happen? Let us see. 1 plus m is equals to, if we take the minus sign, it is minus root 3 plus root 3m. Plus root 3m. So that 1 plus root 3 is equals to, 1 plus root 3 is equals to m into root 3 minus 1. So therefore, m is equals to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So m is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. There m equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Simple. So if you know the slope and if you know the point, how can you find out the flow equation? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x2 minus x1. So the equation of AB may be y minus 3 is equals to m means root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2. Leave like that if you're not a problem. Right. So and the straight line of AC and the equation of AC is y minus y1 is 3 and m is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into x minus 2. So like that, you can find out the equation of straight line when this type of concept is given. Whenever these two angles are same, we can use the concept to find out the equation of that straight lines. Okay, now, right? So I'll give the question to you. Post your answer in the comment box based on same concept. This question is for you. A line 4x plus y is equals to 7 through 2 comma minus 7. A line 4x plus y is equals to 7 through a2 comma minus 7. A through 2 comma minus 7. Wait. This is not the question. Sorry. I'll go one more question to you. Some mistake is there in that particular question. If the line x plus a minus 1 into y plus 1 is equals to 0 and the lines and 2x plus a square y minus 1 is equals to 0 are perpendicular. I'll give a simple question to you. Are perpendicular, then a is equals to, post the answer in the comment box. And the second one more question to you. The angle between the lines. If you don't know the answer, we'll discuss in the next class. The angle between y is equals to 2 minus root 3 into x plus 5 and y is equals to 2 plus root 3 into x minus 7. These two questions are for you and post the answer in the comment box. In the next class, we will discuss about normal form and parametric form. Those are very important forms of straight lines. Okay, so if you like the video, please share and don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.